Hi, good morning, students. Welcome to online class. We already completed up to the unit 5. Now, in this class, we started the unit 6 time. Shall we go to the class, ma? 6.1 time of the day. Okay, the first topic is time of the day. Look at the sky, ma. If the sky is not same in all the time, isn't it? No. Sometimes the sun shine, sometimes the moons and stars are twinkle. When the sun shine means we called it what? Day. Okay, va? When the moons and stars are twinkle, we called it night, isn't it? No. One day, one night equal to what? 24 hours, isn't it? No. Okay. Daytime 12 hours, ma. Night time 12 hours. So 12 plus 12 is equal to 24 hours. Okay, wow. One day equal to how many hours? 24 hours. In the 24 hours, 12 hours is night, 12 hours is daytime. Okay, mama. Okay. Now look at this diagram. From midnight 12 o'clock to, okay, the noon, that means afternoon, no, afternoon 12 o'clock, we called it AM, okay, va? And then from afternoon 12 o'clock to midnight 12 o'clock, we called it what? PM, okay, va, ma? From midnight to, from midnight 12 o'clock to afternoon 12 o'clock, we called it a daytime. Okay, that means what? Morning time, AM. And then noon 12 o'clock to midnight 12 o'clock, we called it PM. Okay, mama? So, sort the events according to the time. Now, below they are giving some events. We want to correctly represent the time, that is morning or evening or night. Okay, well, the first one is sunrise. Sunrise is happening in, very good, morning. So write here sunrise. The second one sunset. Sunset in evening or night? Evening. So write the sunset in evening. The next one, coming to school. We are coming to school in morning. So write here coming to school. Okay, mama. Sunset in evening. Then coming to school means what? We are coming to school in morning time, no? So in morning, right? Coming to school. Next, returning home. You are going to home in evening, isn't it? No. So evening, returning home from school. Next, breakfast. What does mean by breakfast, ma? Yes, morning food is called what? Breakfast. So write in morning. Next, dinner. Dinner means what? Very good. Night food. Night food is called dinner. Next, darkness. Darkness means what? Night. So write in night, darkness outside. Next, saying good morning in morning. Saying good evening in evening. Okay, mama. Next, chronological order. Okay, va? Have you noticed your mother preparing idli? Here giving the preparation of idli. Okay, va? First, she soak rice and black gram in water. Okay, va? First, your mother soak the rice and black gram in water. Then second thing is she grind. Okay. After soaking, your mother grind the rice and black gram then to prepare a batter. Okay, va? The third one is she ferments the batter overnight. In overnight, then after, fourthly, she boiled the batter to make idlis. Okay, but this is a preparation of idli. The step by steps, the process is continuing. So this is called a chronological order. Okay, ba? So here giving the meanings, definition, see ma'am, the method of arranging events in the order of the happening. Okay, well, one events or arranging the step by step, that events is called, okay, that order is called chronological order. Here giving idli example, there are another example, Seema, historical events. Okay, va? This is also an example of chronological order. Next one is education qualification. What does mean by education qualification? You are studying LKG, UKG, and first, second, third up to 12th standard. Afterwards you are going to college. Okay, well, step by steps your education qualification is increasing, isn't it? No. So this is also an example of chronological order. Next, your family tree. In your family, first grandfather, next your father, next you, and same like that your grandmother, then after your mother, then after you. Okay, so step by step the tree is coming here. So this is called an example of chronological order. Okay, write F for the event which come first. Below they are giving some events. Okay, the events coming first means we want to put F in this box. Okay, and which event come next, that want to put N. Okay, first eating, cooking, which come first? First we cook, so put F. Then after eating, next so put N. Okay, next boarding into a bus or train, reaching the destination. First we enter the bus, then after we reach the correct place, isn't it? No. So this is a next. First we draw the picture, then after give the coloring. So this is a next. Next, taking out a book from a bag. Okay, first taking the book, then after reading, isn't it? No. So this is a first, this is next. Opening the door, entering the room. First we want to open the door, then after only you enter the room. No. So this is next. Okay, va? Okay, this is a Kyle-Wiley family, ma. Okay, va? The family tree also what? An example of chronological order? No. So chronological order of the family members is grandfather, grandmother, mother, grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, Kyle-Wiley and her younger brother. Okay, well, this is one example of chronological order. Okay, well, step by steps here giving. Same like that we want to arrange. Okay, well, arrange the following events in chronological order. We only want to arrange. They are giving two questions. First, started walking, birth, started schooling in class 1. That means you are studying in first standard. Class 3 means third standard. Class 2 means second standard. Okay, va? First, birth. Okay, va? First your birth. Okay, then after you start walking. Isn't it? No. Okay, well, first birth, then started walking, then started schooling in class 1, next studying in class 2, next studying in class 3. We are arrange it. Okay, well, same like that the second question. Sowing seeds, plucking fruit, growing fruit, flowering in plant, watering plant. What is the first event? Very good. First seeds. First sowing seeds. Next seeds after what, ma? Yes, we want to watering plants. First sowing seeds, then watering plant, next flowering plants, next growing fruit, next plucking fruit. Okay, va? Okay, my next write the name of your family members. This is your activity. Okay, va? You want to write the name of your family members in a chronological order. Chronological order means what? First grandfather name, next grandmother name, next your father's name, next mother's name, next yours name, like that wise. According to your age, you want to write the names. Okay, Vama? This is your activity. Ask the birth year of your family members and then arrange them chronologically. Okay, va? Next, your next topic is 6.3. Time cyclic event in a year. Okay, cyclic means, what is mean by cyclic means? Every day we wake up in a morning. In each and every day in a morning we wake up and then go to bed in night time. Okay, wow. Morning we wake up, next night we are again going to bed. Okay, wow. This is repeating in a day by day, wow. So this is called a cyclic event. Okay, wow. This process keeps repeating every day. In every day the morning and night come as usual, isn't it? No. So every day the sun shine in a morning and set in a evening. This event is repeated in a day by day, isn't it? No. So events that keep in repeating in a same manner, one event is repeating, that is called a cyclic. For example, day and night. Day and night, it comes what? Repeating, no, in a same manner. Day after night, next night after day, isn't it? No. So this is called a cyclic event. Day and night occurs alternatingly, forming a cycle. This is a one mark. Okay, but day and night occurs alternatingly. This is called a forms a cycle. Okay, va? Some events, there are another one examples, ma. Day and night in one example. Another event means growth of the plant. Okay, va? Construction of the house do not repeat, isn't it? No. Day and night is a form a cycle. Which even do not form a cycle means growth of the plant. Growth of the plant is example of what? Very good. Chronological order. Okay, va? But this is not example for cycle. Okay, va? And same like that, construction of the house is example of what? Chronological order. This is not example of what? Cycle. Understand? Below they are giving some events. Which events form a cycle, which events do not form a cycle, we want to identify. Okay, we are coming to school. This is a form cycle or do not form a cycle, ma? Yes, it's form a cycle because first day you are going to school, then after you return the home, again you are going to school. The process is repeating, no? So write form a cycle. Going to school. Next, second one, rotation of the clock. Rotation of the clock is a cycle or not cycle? 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, then after 12. Okay, well, this is what? Repeating in the same manner. So this is also form a cycle. So write here. Okay, well, rotation of the clock is also form a cycle. Next, days of the week. Days of the weeks also form a cycle, isn't it? No. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Then Saturday after again Sunday. Okay, va? The 7 days is coming repeatedly. Okay, va? Isn't it? No. So this is also form a cycle. Next, growth of your pet. Your pet growing is form a cycle, don't form a cycle. No, it's not form a cycle. The growth of the living things, it has chronological order, isn't it? No, ma. First birth, next walking, like the same way. The growth of the pet also. So this is not form a cycle right here. Okay, ma. Next what? Building your house. We already giving here. The construction of house do not form a repeat manner. Do not repeat, isn't it? No. So construction and building both are same. So this is do not form the cycle. Okay, well, next, making of idli. Making of idli is example for what? Very good. Here itself giving a making of idli is example for chronological order. So this is not form the cycle right here. Understand, Amma? That's all. Next, complete the events of your cycle. Here giving the days of the week. How many days in a week, ma? Very good. 7 weeks are what are they? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So we want to write here. Because days of the weeks is form a cycle, isn't it? No. Days of the week form a cycle. So only here giving a cycle diagram. First Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday here itself giving. So no need to write. Next Thursday after Friday, Saturday. Okay, Vamma? Okay, well, like this you want to write the days of the week. Next, season of the year. In a season, in 1 year, how many seasons are coming? First summer, next winter, rainy, Okay, rainy season, winter season, summer season, isn't it? No, so summer already give it, so here write rainy and here write winter. Okay va? RAINY, rainy, WINTER, winter. Okay va? Next, take the next page. Activity. Preparing month cycle of the year. Here giving a days are. So you itself form the month. Okay va? The teacher can prepare cards with the name of the month. Okay va? First you want to take the cards like this. Okay va? The month of the cycle: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, this is also form a cycle. December after, then after January, the new year is start, beginning, isn't it? No. So this is also example of cycle. Okay va? Thank you ma. So complete the book exercise ma. Okay va?